Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a while, but this is gonna be a new episode of Baking Till We Get It Right. My boss wanted coconut cake for his birthday. I'm sorry that the camera's on a little bit of a lean. I need to go fix my camera real quick. Okay, that should be a little bit better, even though I can't really see myself, but it's not about me, it's about what I'm baking today. He wanted coconut cake for his birthday. If you remember last year's Baking Till We Get It Right for his birthday, we did carrot cake. This is not my recipe. It is some sugar punch, I don't know. But most of the recipes that I did see online are used this way. I'm just using what she had on her YouTube channel. It was some lady, I don't remember what her channel's name is, but I will leave her recipe, well, I guess her website, I don't know, below the description, because this is not mine. I will tell you, this is not mine. I'm just testing this to see if I know how to do it. I changed some of the things in here because this is for, her recipe is for white cake, and I wanted to be extra. Since it's a coconut cake, we need coconut flavorings. So in this bowl, we have 6 tablespoons of margarine. She called for butter, but butter and margarine are basically the same thing. 2 cups of white granulated sugar. There is no brown sugar in this because you want a white cake basically when it comes to a coconut cake. At least that's what I like. And then instead of, she used a flavorless oil like canola oil, but I'm using unsolidified coconut oil. It was solidified, but it's hot in Delaware because it's summer. So when I went to go look at it, it was already melted, so I didn't have to go do it. So I'm going to mix these real quick. And now she said once you mix it all together and it looks like it's all combined, mix it more thoroughly, because it looks like the butter, I guess, doesn't, like, still shows. So you gotta mix a little bit until it looks like less like butter. And all I smell right now is the coconut. I want to make a very coconutty, but not too strong of a coconutty cake. So this is a great stage right here. She used the hand mixer, but most of my life I used my hand and a whisk. So that's what we're gonna do today, except for when it comes to this part right here, because ain't nobody got time to sit here and do that with those eggs. So what I have here is vanilla extract, but she said, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, we eyeball things over here. And then here is some coconut extract, pretty sure. This is a brand new thing, because this is the first time that I've ever gotten coconut extract. And right here, all I have is a half a teaspoon. When it comes to like flavored extracts, vanilla extract you can do probably, I know some recipes call for like a tablespoon, but for flavored ones like coconut or almond, I would never recommend to do that much, because then it could be strong as hell. And that's why they have that instead of, I noticed with vanilla, it's like how this has just, it's literally you screw off the cap and that big old hole is what pours out. But this has a little squirter dispenser thing is what it looks like. So this is a half a teaspoon. I'm just gonna do a quarter. So like half of this is a quarter, because I don't want it to be too strong. You can add in a whole, I guess, half a teaspoon if you wanted to, if you didn't do it like me and use, oh, that smells wonderful. If you didn't use coconut oil and use just like canola oil or whatever. But that smells really, really nice. In this bowl, I thought it was very weird because in every recipe that I've ever done in my entire life has called for baking soda. This does not. It doesn't even call for cake flour, which is literally like, what, a quarter of something, or like a tablespoon taken out of the flour and then a tablespoon of baking soda to make cake flour or something like that. I don't remember. But this is just, she has a weird measurement for this, okay? So it is 2 cups, 2/3, and 2 tablespoons. 2 cups, 2/3, and 2 tablespoons. So I thought that was very weird. And then over here, she said to put in a tablespoon of baking powder, and then over here is just a teaspoon of salt. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all of this dry ingredients. Well, not all of it. We're going to do halvesies real quick. We're going to mix this together. And then in my measuring cup right here, that is a cup of whole milk. I guess it doesn't, she didn't really, I guess, care about what type of milk it was. At least that's not what I remember from watching the video, even though I wasn't even paying to the video most of the time. I just paid attention to the recipe and that cake was white. So I'm gonna be extra and add another quarter of the extract. Ew. But in this bowl right here, you can get a stand mixer, a hand mixer, or if the all power to you if you want to strain your hand. I'm not straining my hand. In this bowl is 6 egg whites. Now she was very precise, and I always say this whenever I use egg whites: never ever, 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 ever get the yellow yolk in your egg whites when you're separating, because it's not gonna work. It happened to me before. But this is 6 egg whites. You want to get it to a stiff peak stage. It's not gonna look like stiff peaks when you do like a royal icing, because there is no sugar, there is no tartar to make it glossy. It'll be like real rough looking, and I'll show you that when it comes to that. Guys, I'm back with my stiff egg whites, and this hold on, get all this off my spatula. This is what you want it to look like. Okay, that's what you want it to look like. So I'm gonna put a little bit, since because of my bowl was too small. I keep spilling. It's not my day. Don't mind the mess on my bowl here. I made a little bit of it. But I'm gonna pour all of this in here, these egg whites. I've seen this done before. If someone tells me this looks wrong, this is what it looked like on her channel. I still don't have my oven preheated, but I remember her saying 350. And then I'm gonna be a little extra. Right here is a cup of coconut flakes. I don't know. I'm gonna like pour a little bit in and be like, maybe I should put more or not. But I don't know if I should put the whole cup in or not. Yeah, we be putting the whole cup in. Okay guys, so the cakes are finally done. They look so good. And then this is just leftover batter that I baked off so that I could taste test it. Looks so nice. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna be honest. I don't taste a lot of coconut, but it's really, really good. It's like a sweet cake, like very sweet, like a regular cake should be. But it's like, you know that it's a coconut cake because you could see some of the like flakes. It's very good. I'm going to keep this cake because tomorrow I'm going to ice it, and then Wednesday is his birthday. It's a really, really good cake. It's very moist, and I just love this texture. Texture is so nice. It's very light and fluffy, and it doesn't like fall apart. I love that. But I will show you guys in a different video the whole like putting together process for this. Should I? Yeah, I should. Because I'm going to be making coconut buttercream to go on top, and then at the end of the video is just going to be how I ice in the cake. I was thinking one thing, and then I'm like, no, maybe I should just leave it white, be more elegant. But anyways, for now, I'm gonna go take a shower. You want these? Some of these two have been cooling for like 40, 50, almost an hour, and these two, they are still warm. So I'm gonna take a shower, so that's gonna take me like 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put these in plastic wrap and put them in the freezer. And then tomorrow I'm gonna use a little bit of simple syrup if it needs it. It could possibly, but you'll see when I make coconut buttercream. Thank you guys for watching this new episode of Baking Till We Get It Right. I'm excited that I got to film today because I haven't filmed in months. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Go on over to my Instagram, Baking and DIYs, and follow that page, and like and comment whatever you think of my cakes. Your opinion matters to me. But thank you again. Have a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this.